Hi, it's Gina Mayo from iChooseJoy.org and musicinnerhomeschool.com. And today we're going to be talking about online dance classes for kids. If you have been looking for online dance classes and haven't been able to find something, you might like what you see at YouDance. I've been using YouDance with my kids for the last month, and it is really an amazing site. So let's talk today a little bit about YouDance. So what you see when you go to YouDance is that you can create an account and be able to see lots of different types of dance classes there. There's actually 3 different sections. There's dance courses, follow-alongs, and choreography classes. And the dance courses, there's certain ones like hip-hop and contemporary, ballet, clogging, so that you can pick a certain type of dance course that you want to try out, and then you can go from beginner, intermediate, advanced, different levels, so that you can pick where you are and continue to get better at that particular style. And it's really neat how they put it together, and they have these really great teachers. I personally did one for hip hop, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. But let me tell you what my 9-year-old daughter did. She started with beginning ballet, and her instructor was Rachel. And watch in this next video so you can see how my daughter did the class. So you see that my daughter was able to take her tablet to our dance room and set it up on a music stand and just play the videos and learn the dance along with her instructor. She learned different techniques and learned more about how to actually do the ballet moves, which I think is just wonderful. Now, what I particularly loved doing was trying something brand new that I had never done before, and I learned how to do some hip hop. My instructor's name was Javon, and I really enjoyed him because he did a great mix of being quick enough for us not to get bored, but going slow enough and very deliberately explaining how to do each move and giving us enough time to practice where I actually felt like I was able to master it before moving on to the next thing. So watch as I show you how I learned a little bit of hip hop.
You already learned both sections, so let's just review. Start off by walking in place. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the turning slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the double step. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and followed by the home step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we do the turning slide step. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and we finish it off by walking and grooving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do it to some music. I know you can do it.
All right, so I hope that has showed you a little bit about how you can do online dance classes with your kids, some ways to use them, maybe just to assign it for them to do for PE credit for individual independent work, or you could do it together as a family. I'm thinking that maybe we'll do some of the exercise dance classes together for our morning basket time to start the day next year. So check out my review at musicinnerhomeschool.com/YouDance so that you can see some more information about the course.